Am I live? Yo! Alright, we here. What's up, chat? Where Luca? We here. Guys, put some W's in the chat. Let's get this call started. I'm gonna take a video for Instagram. Everyone put some W's in the chat. Let's get this shit started. W's, W's, W's. Live trading on YouTube, round 2 of absolute bangers on the way. Click the link, don't miss out. Oh my god. Click the link, don't miss out. I'll see you guys in a minute. Come join. What up, chat? How was your guys' weekend? Come on, it's Monday. Fucking shake off them Monday jitters. Get stupid, get hyphy. Just close my gold so. Sorry guys, I'm helping Mamba get this thumbnail done right now. You guys are gonna fucking die. It's so funny. Alright, we good. Just close my gold set. Let's go, Reggie. Guys, you guys eat this morning? I'm still holding a partial position as well. Who ate this morning, guys? Put some 41s in the chat. Live trading. No. Alright, we're good, chat. Who's ready to make some money? Hallelujah. I sold. What? Oh, what? Out of full port. Do you take the trade already? I did take a trade, but no, I'm still gonna look for another trade. I'm still in it. We're still holding, guys. I don't know if you guys can see. You guys see? We're still in it. Of course, live account, whatever. But closed the majority, made a lot of money. Still floating some. Sad it's come all the way back down, but I still have conviction we could potentially go long. So I'm still holding with stops break even. Where's top songs? That's what I'm saying. No, I'm kidding. But let's get into it, guys. We're gonna do a full breakdown of the trade I called this morning, as well as trades we're looking at today. We don't want to know. Felt like I was in a rush this morning and missed the support this morning on US30. Got the wick, R&R to the rescue. Let's go. With Knicks. I feel like it, bro. like Nick leans into the susness. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of funny. Like we thought Top Songs was the sus one, and then like Nick started talking, and you're like, oh shit. don't. I'm 17 on my challenge right now. Let's fucking go. Nah, he almost banned Top Song. No way. What? That's fucking hilarious. All right, guys, let's go over it. So, Nick's live is called Midnight Magic. That should be banned forever. All right, let's go over it, guys. I'm gonna erase the charts and go over my setup for today that I took, and then I'm gonna go over what I'm looking at so far, going forward. So, look at this, guys. We've had this strong push up after taking this liquidity. All we've done this entire time is higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So we were in this channel up where every time you notice price come up, make a high, and potentially take out a low. What are we doing? We're leading to a new push. To do what? Take out a high, take out a low, and push. So going in the morning, on the hourly, I was potentially maybe looking at sells just because it looks like we are maybe going to like retrace into this leg to continue down. But after I saw this kind of formation heading into open, all I had to really do was find where I wanted my resistance, which was up in here at first, just to see if we can get a break. Resistance up in here, right here. Pullback, holding kind of here, kind of like, to me, kind of like a break and retest. Oh, come on. Midnight Magic, some of the gayest shit I've ever fucking heard in my entire life. But we lit to that break, retest of this, and then leading to a new high. While this was happening on US30, NASDAQ was already flying, so I missed NASDAQ. NASDAQ was low-key super G. I mean, it's all good though. I'm not mad. I still got into here. I think I had about a 45-point stop loss and absolute banger. So you can see we hit 5%, 5 R to R, and then we are pulling back. But through here, guys, what are you looking at if you're me? I'm erasing price. There's a couple things we can't look at, but the first thing is fibbing this low to this high, right? And now we're in the retracement into discount. So it already looks like we tried to break structure here and immediately came down. Now we've taken liquidity. The one thing I'm thinking is, why would we push up and like take out this high right here? If you don't know what I'm talking about right here, why would we take out this high to then take out the low, and then like we should potentially like retest and continue down? So there's two things, is that if we break this low, I think we come like some sort of short down. But if we hold this, I think that this is a sweep. We got in like early buyers here, a sweep to then once we buy above here, or maybe an hourly wick. Like what time the hourly open? Oh, here. Well, let's see the hourly actually before we do that. But babe, ultimately, like this doesn't look too bad to me, is all I'm trying to say. I do kind of want to short because of this liquidity sweep, but it's just not enough for me. So I'm kind of holding. I'm still in my buys as well, so it would be obviously super lit to get that. But yeah, the only thing also is kind of just understanding that like we were kind of moving up. Ever since we took out this high, it's been like lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then we have had this push up. Yeah, we'll see like this. This is still like a fib level too, so we're tapping into there. Yeah, but I don't want to pay attention to that. I don't want to pay attention to that. Let's just take some buys. I don't want to pay attention to that. Let's take some buys. What y'all think about this? Y'all with the shits or no? Where's my chat at? Y'all with the shits or what? Y'all with this shit or what? Shit. Oh, he's full port and buys or sells. Yeah, we'll have to see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see what we got cooking, chat. I'm really gonna be just like down here straight scalping US30. Yeah, we'll see. What we thinking, chat? One hour. 1 hour looks like we could come down a little bit more to hit this 8 smooth moving average. 4 hour. 4 hour could flip though. We could look at the 4 hour lows. That's valid. Gonna drop some more. Bigger time frame looks more bullish. 5-minute demand is around 50. I actually was looking at that. Like you can see that clear 5-minute demand. I just don't know if that's gonna hold. There's one right below it too. Just waiting 1 minute structure to form, take out liquidity and buy. That's what I'm thinking. We'll see. I don't want to hit my break even though. I really thought we were going to continue though. We were so bullish. Back down. Still in that beat though. Still holding. Have to wait and see. Yo! Zenlabian. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. What's good with you? Which means gangsta. Thank you, bro. Yeah, I don't know. I'm getting FOMO'd into some cells right here. Thought of man goat? Damn, I never even thought of that. I look like low key whenever I see whenever I say like damn you're a G, I low key mean gangsta. But I didn't even think about that. You could be the goat. You know what I'm saying? Or it could be you're a G. You're gay. Fuck that. Gangsta will knock a goat out. Emmett, I figured out. Emmett, I went to the zoo and I figured out the argument. The 100 gorillas versus A zookeeper explained it. Who wants to know the real answer? Who wants to know the real answer? The real answer, they have no even said they wanted to know. I met a gorilla, haven't seen him since. Drum roll, please. Now, guys, so the whole argument between the 100 gorillas or 100 humans versus one gorilla, a zookeeper says that a gorilla is much stronger and could definitely fuck some people up, but they don't have good endurance. Like, they get tired as fuck. Like, they're like 450, 500 pounds, so they just get tired as hell. So, like, they would wipe out the first, like, whatever the fuck, and then humans would just, like, fucking just get it. So, hate to break it to everyone. 100 gorillas versus one Powell is hilarious. Powell wins for sure. Make sure, guys, if you guys are here and you guys have active hands, like if you can go like this, everyone real quick, go like this with your hand. You can't do it. Everyone real quick. I don't care if you're at work and your boss looks at you weird. Go like this. Real quick, and then go like this. And then you're gonna like the button of the stream. Okay, so hand up, finger, like button on the stream, and then that's what brings the volume in. Talking about do the nay. Damn, I should have. No, I'm kidding. Maybe later. Maybe we hit TP. TPs deserve the nay. Nothing before. Like button on the stream. Appreciate it. So let's talk about it, guys. We have lows right here where we could talk about like, oh, Luca, like, do we want to short under this area? I don't think so. I just don't. I'm not too enticed. I know we already kind of took that high a little bit right there on that one, but like for real. So we'll see. That's US30, guys. Let's check out NASDAQ. Let's check out Bay. Hello. What are you looking for right now? I'm looking for buys and sells on NASDAQ. No, I'm kidding. Just joking. No, I'm breaking it down right now. So when it comes to NASDAQ, guys, let's do an outlook. We go to the hourly time frame. We are currently taking out previous New York highs over here to the left. I've just wicked above it, which is something that I'm kind of enticed about. Okay, so we've come up here. New York had the final rally above these highs, potentially gaining liquidity to maybe go down, but I still like how we've like held this low. We took liquidity below before continuing up. Oh shit, what the fuck was that? And then come into here. We'll have these lows, liquidity taken out under, full bullish impulse to take out the highs, but now we're starting to react low key. 1 hour, kind of in between. 30-minute. 30-minute looks ugly. Holy mackerel. 15-minute. 5. So I would say that NASDAQ looks way more of a consolidation than US30. Like literally just freaking sideways. Starting to go bullish a little bit. Oh, look at this chat. Buys starting to come in. What are we thinking? I'm so intrigued. So very much intrigued. Fuck, kind of want to give the first shot a go. I'm thinking buys on US30 after retest the support. I know, I kind of want to like, now that we're kind of breaking up, I just need to see it like hold a little because I don't want it to like go up and then continue lower. So I want us to like hold something after breaking, like break some structure, hold, and go. This entry would be G though. So let's just wait for a break of structure first, guys. Just be a little careful. Let's wait for a break above this high. Once we get a break above here, we can potentially look for a little retest or something. All right, that's a good rejection. I want to close bearish. Okay, that's a good rejection, chat. I like that, I like that, I like that. Are you going to trade? No. Well, technically, yes, but I'm just in my old trade. I just hate that the 30 minutes opening right now, chat. So freaking lame. Not the best volume coming up to that high, I can't even lie. What y'all think of chat? I hate that it's 30 minutes doing that. You guys think this is too clear of a resistance? On NASDAQ. NASDAQ's ugly as a biatch. Rejecting tough. 1 minute until the 30-minute, guys. Wow, what a sell-off. Wow, what a little run of liquidity, guys. Just like this little high right here. It's kind of crazy. These little inducements are honestly causing some volume, but at least it's not just, I mean, actually NASDAQ is sideways, but looks like a reverse head and shoulders. Could be. What's good, my G? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing, guys? Make sure if you guys are just coming through, hit that like button, like and subscribe. If you guys are new here, I do live stream and call trades here every single day. I trade in New York in my private NLT group. Guys, you've been killing it in there, by the way. But I do that and then come here and trade with you guys during PM session. Which city is in the background, Luca? Who can guess? Bro, you trade New York and Cali time is nuts. I know. I low-key have not been enjoying it too much, but the whole reason I started it is I just was like, did mama raise a bitch? And I was like, fuck, like, I guess not. And then I just like had to. But then like now, like, I'm being kind of a bitch on it. I've been winning, making money, so I can't hate, but sleep's definitely fucked up. All right, guys, a little run on liquidity here. Let's see. Fuck, Rudy, how'd you know? That's the only place I can afford a high rise like this. Come on, man. You know what the light bills are in the US? Fuck, damn, that sell was actually pretty nice. So, gotta wait for a retest. So I'm on my phone to kind of actually took a buy on selling US30 that made me go over my. Whoa, what the fuck? That sucks. Light bill included in rent. God, I need me a place like that. Damn, what's good? I'm gonna go erase this. I got a buy stop on one of them. I'm gonna erase it now. Buy stop. Still holding this tight. I still have that US30 buy going, guys. From this morning. I'm kind of waiting to see. Did support tell you kick rocks? What up, Cypher? Happy Monday, brother. Hope everything is good with you. What's wrong with me? I have a certificate. What's wrong with me? I have a certificate from Apex and FTMO. I have passed a 10K account from Clarity Traders, but I keep losing them. The problem is, I would say revenge trading, because I gotta say this, it is very hard and the percentages of you actually passing one of those challenges is low. So the fact that you've gone and passed multiple accounts already shows that you are a profitable trader and you can prove to yourself you are consistent, but there's some things that you keep doing that you know you're doing wrong. I know for a fact, if I sat down with you and made you identify 5 things, 10 things that you were doing wrong, you could say them, but when it comes to actually taking a trade, you're still doing them. So always make sure that you have a plan, you're sticking to it, not deviating away from your strategy at all. And I bet you'll get better results. You know, whatever you're doing during the times you were passing those challenges, do them again. You know, you did it. It's not a fugazi. You did it. Do it again. Pooh, clip that. No, I'm kidding. Should have full poured the sells right there, not gonna lie. Yeah, no, I know. Like the sell, but you know, we all could say that though. I always say that on these streams is there's so many people in the chat who after the fact would say, oh yeah, the sells, you know, whatever. I could sit here and say that all day is like, oh dang, these buys would have been nice. Oh dang, these sells would have been nice. It's just, you know, you don't want to think about that because then you're gonna have that other you know, I don't know, maybe a bad mindset to get into the next trade because you might want to FOMO in. So you kind of gotta just forget, be like, you know what, I didn't catch the sells now. What can I do to potentially get in? And I would say some liquidity. So the same way that this came up and took liquidity above here led to a sell. The same way this came up and kind of took the highs right here led to that as well. Ah! Fuck. I'm just staring on my phone going like, all right, we'll leverage the sells. Well, this the one thing is get, I mean, fuck, I can't use that word on here. One thing that's, we hold on by a thread. I was up a bag on this runner. I thought we were going to continue. I guess it needs some liquidity, which is me, right? I got orders in. It's going to take me out potentially. A bunch of other people who are also still holding their orders. Could be it. So all I need to do is not revenge trade and be much more strict with my rules. By the way, I'm trading under my... That's funny. You gotta get it how you... Alright, so NASDAQ. I'm gonna mark up the lows over here. Like, what's good with you, NASDAQ? NASDAQ hasn't really sold off yet, though, but I think that we're gonna get some sort of... I mean, it's been consolidating. We could low-key buy up in here and just expect to fucking push up. US30, 30-minute was bearish as hell. You guys gotta think of like how we expect this, you know, we gotta expect how will this 30-minute candle close, right? I would expect it to close bearish. I don't think we're gonna have this big wick and then potentially flip and close bullish. You know? What the helly? What the heliante? What the helly on? Alright, US30s. Loki looks good. NASDAQ. It's like, really? NASDAQ just looks fucking Like, really? This is what we're gonna get left with? I would just need some liquidity against trend taken. So let's look. Ever since this high, I mean, it was pretty good. Nice little buy up. Definitely got a bunch more buyers in here to then sell back down. Their stop losses are below here. So we could look for reaction once we break here. So the same type of thing. If I did want to sell, guys, it's all about just taking liquidity against trend. We have highs right here. We have highs right here, up here. If we could come up and take it and have some sort of reaction, we could potentially look for it. But, you know, I'm like, the only reason I would say I'm more conflicted than usual about an overall bias is due to, I would say bullish, but the reason I would say bearish is if you kind of pay attention to like how we've been moving, we were bearish and then have come up and then taken like, you know, New York session highs from, you know, Thursday, which caused all this sell, which there's definitely a lot of liquidity being taken around here. So that's the only thing that I'm thinking is that like short term and today, bullish, but was that bullish move just to buy up and take the liquidity to then sell? That's what I'm paying attention to. Rudy, did you see my reel today? See, like we're holding this fucking low. What's good, NASDAQ? You want some? Low ho? Come on. Thank you. Why are you cheating? I was like, you was being a... I know. NASDAQ's not been as, I mean, yeah, US30's been a little bit better. It would be so cracked out to take a buy here, but luckily, I'm like that. We're still in. Yep, we're still in. If I could scale in buys, that would be so hot. That hourly so gross. 15 more minutes, not hourly. We'll see. She hit toe. On my raise, no. Plus, someone would respect it. We all need NLT shirts that say that. Mama ain't raised no bitch. Need one, yes, sir. Yeah, guys, it's like low volume right now. That's why there's not like too much going on, but I'm definitely eyes open, looking if we could potentially take an entry or something. See if we can get into it. All right, guys. 34 contracts long. Let's go. No, I'm clicking. God. All right, guys, 15 minutes opened. $15 just opened. What? What you mean? All right, NASDAQ that low. So gross. Look at that reaction, though. What? And trading GU, goddamn crazy doesn't move. That's what I'm saying, bro. I low-key, you're talking to someone, that's why I switched. I loved like GU, EU, just the market structure and stuff on it. Very nice, predictable, but slow as hell. I did not like it. Like, guys, we're over here complaining about US30 and NASDAQ as if this still doesn't move as fast as like GU. Ooh. $108 of you guys here. How many likes do we have? I actually can't see. I can't see how many likes, but I trust you guys. It's alive. If you have not liked it, please hit a like button. 41's in the chat. What's up, Mac? Big Mac in the chat. No position yet. No position yet. Not for me. Says on NAS when it's ready. Yeah, it's like I'm a little. I mean, I don't know. Do you have TradingView connected? I tried using it today for notifications, but it had a delay. Do I gotta? Yes. If you don't have a subscription, then that could be it. I have a subscription, so I'm guessing that's probably why mine may, but not entirely sure. What up, Louis? Good morning. Pleasure to see you, bro. Thanks for coming back. Always good to see the gang. Guys, I love the group we got here. If you guys are new or returning or whatever, put some 41s in the chat. If you don't know what 41s mean, you haven't been here long enough, but that's okay. That means you will figure it out pretty soon. It means you will figure it out pretty soon. $41 to Diddy's. No, it's bro. Shut the bro. You gotta say shit like that. Ruined it. Ruined it. What up, at Poo? Hey, you're at number 2 though, Louis. Find him for it. You just showed up and you're already at number 2. Let's go. YouTube respects the game of the real ones. Actually, I kind of want to know, guys, how did everyone in this chat find out about me? I'm just curious. I'm gonna put like a poll. Start a poll. I'm gonna say, like IG/YouTube. I'll do MAMBA, honestly, is one of them. IG, YouTube, MAMBA, maybe like OG live streams with like me, Emmett, and Dollar, something like that. I'm just curious. You might actually hurt my feelings, but we'll see. MAMBA, you're my coach. Hell yeah. No, I know a lot of you guys came from there. I just found out about you because I was saying I got lucky. You might not. Yeah, exactly. On my fucking live streams on Clarity during London. See, that's lit. And I don't even mind. Like, you know, I was grinding and shit. Obviously, it helped me, but it's still dope. You know, it's not like 100%. If it said 100% Mamba, then I'd be like, okay, fuck. Fuck failure. But yeah, I thought it would be in like the 50%, 50%. How many people came from? I thought I was the only one. No, I'm a coach in his mentorship. So if you guys do not know, I coach in Mamba's mentorship. So a lot of the people I coach will find out about me in there, and then I tell them, you know, I also live stream outside on YouTube, and then you guys come that way, which is great. You know, there's no in that. Who's Mamba, bro? That's hilarious. Do you actually not know? Coach Diesel, yes sir. Saw you on Times of Tomorrow, exactly. Yeah, that's awesome. Saw you on Times of Tomorrow. Immediately a fan. You were so real and not douchey. Thank you, bro. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. Found you. I was on the train, bro. Watched your live. You're giving away at 25, and I won that day. I found you. No way. You won the day you found me. Rigged. Oh, here we go, chat. All right, guys. Should we get risky today or what? Come on. Mama ain't raised no bitch. Bro, why do I look when I get in? I'll let you guys know. I'm not jumping in just yet. I'm still in my original position, which is freaking amazing because now I could potentially scale in. I thought it would have hit me for break even already. These were the light build website. Was on the light bill website. Said if you're struggling to pay the bills, call this guy. I love that response. Watch your interview with Tory Trades, one of the best interviews in this genre of YouTube. Thank you so much. That is actually so kind. This is so funny. Hallelujah. All right, guys, the hourly about to open. Like, am I cracked out by looking at this or what? Oh, Salva, where you at? Salva called out this 5-minute demand. Structure confirmation on 1 minute. Did you already enter at the structure confirmation, or I want to see it like close, but also maybe retest? 5 minutes to the hourly. TP smashed on that shit, guys. I did not get in. Onyx, I want to wait for a retest, but if you did get in, fire. I'm not in it though. I'm looking at it. That's some bullshit though. TP, I know. Damn, you guys see people in the chat just be eating. Oh god, I should have fucking known lucky. Bro. Big W's. Good shit to anyone who got in. I'm still looking. That push was beautiful, yes, sir. Maybe 15-minute wick first. What's the hourly? I'm waiting for yeah, like a wick on that hourly, potentially just to go down and see if we can maybe take it up here. Thank you guys for the W's. I didn't get in yet, but I appreciate y'all. For those who did take it, W's for you guys. Fucking lit as fuck. Hell, breezy. Now I'm looking for a fat sell-off. What? What we thinking, chat? Probably a little bit bigger of a wick. Squeezing, squeezing, squeezing. My trading plan is simple: buy high, sell low, and cry in between. That's fucking hilarious. Oh, that's all backwards. That's what I'm saying. Looks like it's definitely just hourly filling. So my thing is this, guys, is that even if we were looking at sells in this area, where would you guys take it at, right? No liquidity's been taken on the lower time frames. If we go to the 1 minute, we've kind of taken out these highs, but once again, it's not really as valid if it doesn't match up with even the 5 minute, right? Like there's no really even structure points on the 5 minute. It's really taken out of. Looks like it is kind of retested within the structure to come down, and now we're looking to see if we can hold within here to potentially go long. But if not, it's all good. We get a sell off. We'll see. We'll see if you hold here, chat. Everyone in the chat, let me know right now. Keep it active. Everyone in the chat, let me know right now what made you start trading. You know my story. Yeah. The financial freedom and the aesthetics. Hell yeah. Like, how did I start or why did I start? Kind of both. Like, how did you find out about it? Why did you start? Super curious for you guys. Freedom, baby. What's up, Jeff? My guys in the chat. Appreciate you, bro. Started back in 2021. Make money with the click of a button. Financial freedom. Hell yeah. A friend. 2021. Hell yeah. The plant where I work was going to close, and I finally paid attention to that Jeremy Cash video when he flipped 40. Damn, I haven't seen that. I'll have to look it up. Financial freedom and the competitive part of being good at the charts. I like that. That's a good answer. Financial freedom, the competitive part of being good at the charts. I love that too. I'm a competitive guy. I love sports and stuff. I'm competitive, so same thing with the charts is like trying to, competitive with it. You got to be right. I told my therapist about my trading losses. Now they need therapy too. That's hilarious. Started trading by getting into binary options. Got into it because I needed to get out of the rat race. I was managing a few 40-plus-year-olds and realized they were all miserable, still working 9 to 5. Exactly, bro. Listen to the people, you know, older who are already doing it. Are you familiar with auction market theory? Been seeing it a lot. I actually do not know. I saw my FX's car on the car channel RBDL. Hey, they said what he did, so I started looking at my eyes first. No way, that's how you figured it out? That's crazy. I remember when they posted it. Was it his McLaren? Because I was living around him when they posted his. I was there the day he fucking got it. That shit was so lit. Oh, his Jeep? I didn't even know they did his Jeep too. So that was sooner. So you haven't been trading that long. Started because saw Tesla rising, took the trade and won, so it was so much fun, adrenaline filled. I said I want to do this for a living. Let's fucking go. Financial freedom, get out of the job to spend time with my wife and 4 kids. Let's go. I appreciate y'all. My trading has more gaps than my resume. That's hilarious. It was March of 2021. Yo, did you know? Oh, like OG Jeep. That's hilarious. Yo, did you know that Osprey should not? Yeah, I brought that up the other day. Crazy, right? Osprey and like Eagle effect. Right on the time Dogecoin. Let's see if we can hold this low or what we do in chat. Sorry, I'm trying to post this. Low taken out. Working for Currency Cave, so now waiting to trade too. You work for the Currency Cave? Or what do you mean? I remember I met you at Mamba's meet and greet last year. Let's go, Eddie. Fire, bro. I'm glad I got to meet you guys. That shit was cool as fuck. I hear someone like yelling, but I'm 20 floors up. That don't sound about right. Top songs yelling at Nick. NQ is here. I mean, this looks like a good trade. I feel like it doesn't really match up with my strategy, though. That's the difference, right? All we would have needed is some liquidity taken above for it to be valid. Hell yeah, Chris. So you're like, shit, I gotta get into trading too. All right. You guys want to go over a good lesson? Everyone want to learn something today? So you guys can see here, we had our impulse that made me bullish and then our retracement into discount. Not only were we in discount, but we also were tapping into this 5-minute demand. What happened here is what I teach a lot in my mentorship, which is that you have to wait for some sort of test and a re-break of structure to confirm kind of the structure change. Because as of now, we're just making lower highs and lower lows coming down into the demand area. But then once we got here, we can drop down to the 1 minute. I'm just going to replay price over to like right about here. I've been calling buys off this area, but look what happened. We hit the area and bought right up. I usually don't buy once you break structure in here. Why? Because let's say we get in here, have our stops below like this, whatever the case may be. What ends up happening is because we're still in this downtrend like channel, when we make a lower high, we made a lower low. So this could still be a lower high to come down and make a lower low. What would make me take the trade is the retracement into here showing the rejection and then it to continue back up there. So that's all we did, was we waited for the pullback for an entry confirmation. What happened? No entry confirmation. Went all the way back down, and now we're sitting here with not having to take a loss and now just waiting patiently to see if we can have some sort of price action like that present itself. Does that make sense? So it really just has to do, if we're in a down channel, really waiting for it to hold and break for it to like actually confirm. Clip it, guys, clip it. That's sauce. There's some sauce for your burger. Part of me wants to buy, Chad. Don't get me wrong. I'm just being a little patient right now. $15 about to close, guys. All right, 15 minutes closed. Sitting within here, still kind of feeling some gaps on the 15 on US30. And then on NASDAQ, we kind of took out that low. Looks like we kind of came down and tried. If we were to come and break, could be some sort of, I don't really get why we would like take liquidity, come back up and then re-break to fake it, like to fake out, but I'll have to see if that holds. And then same thing with US30. What ends up happening price action wise in this area? AI is what made the market go up today, huh? Saw a lot of tech companies were green on the AI report. Hell yeah. Damn, was that 15-minute open just dead? What the helly? What the helly on? Been a patience day, chat. You guys have been sitting here diligent. Congrats on the patience. Someone in the chat tell me a story. Someone in the chat tell me a funny story. Yo, what's poppin'? What's up, Knicks? Here's a little story I'll tell you about started way back in history about Mike G. Or is it Mike G? This a little story I got to tell about 3 bad brothers you know so well. Started way back in history without Mike G. DJ Nicholas. Was that Paul Revere? Yes. Beastie Boys. Who's in the NASDAQ? Amy, Mike B. With 80 Rock, MCA, Amy. DJ Nicholas, damn, what up? Rudy #1 in the chat. Damn, tell PG&E kicked them out. What about them apples? You don't need no light. The fuck? Who needs lights on when you're #1? NAS 100 sell, that's what I'm thinking. I hate that we're right at that 30-minute MA, but I do like those sells, not bad. It's not a ton of volume to push it there just yet. Once upon a time not long ago when people wore pajamas and lived life slow. Oh, that song, that's I wasn't live life slow. Fuck. Not slick, I don't even know. I'm so fucking making the dash. That's a fire song. Here, what it is though. Oh wow, what is this volume? Whoa. What just came out? You guys see that? Yo. Yo, you guys just see that? You guys see that volume spike on NAS and US30? Whoa. What's happening? What's happening? Bank order. US30 jump, that's what I'm saying. Came out to play. What the fuck was that? Trump sneezed. That's fucking funny. Trump sneezed. Still want to wait for some sort of little retest, but I don't know what the fuck just happened. What's happening? Damn, guys, I kind of want to give it a shot. I feel like we've been sitting here all day, fucking patient as fuck, waiting for this shit. You know what I'm saying? Guys, can you please drop a like? It is free, exactly. Drop a like button, guys. Appreciate y'all. We're just in this sharp downtrend right now, guys. I'm waiting to see if we can like reject, hold, and re-break. See what we could do. Let's see what we could do. Looks like it's got to be like a 45-point stop loss around that. Damn, it's only 19 likes. There's no way. If there's actually 19 likes, then I gotta end stream. Yeah, let's see. Is there actually 19 likes? No, there's 70. Like, there's no way. That'd be pretty disrespectful. You just gotta close out and like re-come in and it'll show it. Dang, another good no trade, guys. We've been here patient, just fucking sitting, waiting. Not losing. W my books. Yes, sir. What up, Xander? Xander, where you been, bro? I feel like I haven't gotten to see you in a little bit. You been good, bro? Or have you been here? I'm tripping. I've been here, just been quiet mostly. Why quiet? Oh, for sure. Good to see you, G. Loading again. In the made a hate in my meat. All right, guys. The next 30 minutes should do it for us. We got 30-minute open. 3 minutes. Come on. I count 6 shots. This is crazy. The level of patience today has been barnacles. Crazy. Crazy stuff, chat. 1 minute. 30 seconds. Guess you're gonna have a good day. Smoke way more weed than the guy in LA. Don't be raising me up if I ain't getting up. Let's not waste my time. Come on, come on, come on. Crazy. Banana. Chat, where's everyone from? Everyone in the chat. Where are you guys from? Everyone rep your hood. Young B bless your trap. Young B bless your trap. From Canada, hell yeah. Yay area. We're in the Bay Area. You can't just say Bay. You can't just drop my. You can't just drop my hood. Vallejo, hell yeah. Hilo, Hawaii, SC. Is SC South Carolina? Sega? Where's Sega? Mars, hell yeah. Oregon, Vallejo, Top City K's. Antioch, Utah, H-Town, Baltimore, Thunders tonight. I guess we'll see. Yes, I am from liquidation. I am from liquidation. That's crazy. Greece is sick. Tampa, SC, Georgia. Let's go. The 912. He's saying that like it's like the 912. He's like, come on, how do you not know? That's awesome. Los Angeles. Shout out V. B Russo, Phoenix in the building. NAS was the fattest fucking consolidation. It makes me scared to trade it. US30's moved a bit. I gotta go to work. Peace out, Mind Loop. Thanks for coming through, G. And guys, this is the thing, ready? It takes a trader to be able to, like, let's say at the end of a session or even the next day, let's say I go back and I back test this, right? Let me just do it here with you guys. Why is it good to do this? Because sometimes you could have the bias wrong, because obviously I've been looking for buys, but obviously it's kept shorting. But just because it's shorted doesn't mean it still has to do with my entry criteria. What does my entry criteria have to do with? Well, that's some secret sauce. But I mean, a lot of you guys know it, but it has to do with waiting for some sort of liquidation to happen before break a structure or anything. The only thing I see that would have made it a little bit valid before that is this minor push up that broke this high, and then from here, this mini push. But the one thing that also doesn't line up, so if we like erase this, is that usually what I do is it'll be like, takes liquidity, break structure, right? And then after I break a structure, I usually will fib this up, waiting for a retracement in a discount. But look at, we retraced a little bit, but we didn't retrace in a discount, so that already doesn't have to do with like my entry criteria. Then we broke lows here, and yes, it looks like we've like shorted it a little bit. Like you're like, oh, the sells, guys, we still would barely be sitting like in profit. Like, you know, it's just been a rangy day no matter what. And now we're shorting into a demand, which I'm interested in potentially holding to go long, right? So it's just been a slow day, but also a patience day of just kind of waiting for price to present itself and all that. Don't be blowing me up if it ain't got enough. I'm still in my position from this morning, guys. This has been crazy. I come from the land down under. Alright guys, I don't like that there's a no bottom wick, but I'm fucking interested in this shit. $13 till power hour? I'm not till power hour, but till the 350 candle. Who's here pretending to work their 9 to 5 but actually watching this live? Don't lie. That's hilarious. That's so funny. Yerp. Come on, US30. Let's make the people some money today. What about that? This is 9 to 5, yeah. Oh my god, chat, really? Like after all this, like alright, chat, I'm starting to look at this. I hate that the MAs are right here, but I would just also hate to wait this freaking long all day. Just to not take it, right? So let's see. Finger on the trigger. 100 likes, that's what I'm saying, guys. Get us to 100 likes. See if you can get it. Are we holding here, chat, or what? What do you guys think? You guys gonna take a buy if we break, or what? Salva, where's your entry? Alright guys, I'm gonna have to give it a go. Seeing if we can flip. I'm literally on the woman right now. Who thinks we're premature? Who thinks we're right there? What'd you guys think? Still no entry. Let's see if we can flip right here or fly or what's good. I put my whole paycheck on green. I don't know. We've still just been consolidating. This still could be like a high to make a low, but we're seeing if we could like break this high with some volume. We got about 7 minutes to the 350 candle. Let's see what we can make of it. You in? No, not yet. I literally got my phone out. The reason I'm looking down. Got MetaTrader open. 5 more likes, guys. Come on, 5 more likes. Do it for your boy. Do it for your boy. Go crazy, close. Come on, go crazy. I appreciate y'all. Come on, chat. Alright, guys, might give it a go. Let's run a chat. I'm not gonna sit here and wait all day for the not to fucking do it. I'm in. Let's run it. Come on. Give us a push. 5 minutes until the, until the candle that we've all been waiting for. Come on now. Oh, good little push. Good little push. Come on now. Come on now. Let's see what we can do. And like I told you guys, I still am in my original position from this morning too. So I'm in 2 positions now. The one from just now and the one from this morning that I still have the partials on. But we're in, chat. We are in this. Come on now. Come on now. Oh, come on, got chat. No drawdown too. You guys should be right in profit. We're flying. Already up a K. Already up 1,000. Come on. Run it for us. This is what patience fucking does. Come on, chat. I'm debating about putting stops to break even. We gotta get a little push right here. Come on, come on. Keep it going. We could have even had a smaller stop loss if we wanted to, because there's no reason it should have came back in the range anyways. But good little push so far, guys. I'll let you guys know what's good. So far, so good. Up to hundo. Let's go. Come on, chat. Come on now. Stops above break even. That's what I'm saying, guys. If you guys are smart and you guys want to keep some money in your pockets, I would start putting stops to break even. Would be a good time to start doing that. We got a good little push. We are about almost 25 points in profit. Telling you, for power hour, we can get away with these smaller stop losses. 3 minutes to the 350 candle also, guys. You definitely want to, like, you know, potentially protect your stops for sure. Paid my car note. No, that's actually hilarious. Oh, there we go. Flip and fly. 1 minute's looking good. Rebreak, rebreak, rebreak. Come on. Fly for the gang. Chat, what are we talking about? Who are you guys playing with? Come on. Double down, Luca. Come on, guys. TP almost smashed. Definitely start moving stops to break even, guys. Beautiful freaking trade. You guys are killing it. You guys are killing it. Come on, come on, come on. You guys see right here? In this. Doing NAS and US30? Nope, just US30. I like that our TP1 is also right above where this drawn liquidity is, above this little lower high. Could definitely trigger us a break of structure, as well as just kind of confirm we could potentially continue up. But we also just, oh my gosh. Holy crap. All right, guys, I'll let you guys know if I get out break even right here. I'm still in profit. What the frick just happened? All right, guys, I'm pulling out break even. That was insane. Wow. Oh well. Oh freaking well. Wow. Still in profit on my first position from this morning, but that was crazy. All that for that. That 350 candle wasn't on our side today. What I'm saying. Luckily it got me out for $30 profit. I didn't get hit out for any you know, whatever it's called. I have my stop a little bit above, but you guys can see I'm still in my like one position from this morning. But unfortunately that other one, Gonzo. Wow. I'm telling you guys, if it just hits break even and flies too, oh my god. Beautiful risk management. Thank you guys. That's what I'm saying, is that no matter what, still good risk management. We still showed up. We stayed patient all freaking day. Got in profit about 30. Actually, how many points did we get in profit? About 35 points, guys. So I got to stop with this 40. Actually, I guess it is US30, but during power hour, we definitely can get away with smaller stop losses. So, you know, next time, probably decrease stops so that TP1 definitely would have hit. But, yeah, overall, solid day, guys. Followed our plan, stayed freaking diligent and patient the whole time. And guess what, guys? There's a bunch of opportunities that we would have gotten faked out. We waited to be in an area of interest, got in, got about 35 points of profit, and a little bit retracing to break even because of the 350 candle, right? If there wasn't the 350 candle, I bet we probably still would be in profit. It just moved super fast because we all know what happens during the 350 candle. But ultimately, guys, W day. I appreciate y'all for coming. If you guys made any profits or anything, make sure to If you made any profits or anything, make sure to go post in the Discord, guys. If you're not in the Discord, click it in the description. You should already be in there. But guys, it's only Monday. We'll be back tomorrow. Fire ass day. If you're still holding me back in profit, it's probably going to flip, guys. It's probably just to shake out people early, but I'd rather have good risk management and put it at break even for that 350 candle than just go for it. Made a check out. That's awesome. Hell yeah. Well, I appreciate y'all. Thank you guys for coming to the stream. I do think it's going to continue. So if you're still holding, congratulations. Let us know in the chat and the Discord if you guys are holding, going crazy. But you guys saw I'm out of my one position, but I still am in the one from this morning. So we shall see. But W trade, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out, gang. Deuces. New YouTube video today too, so make sure you guys have your notifications on. There was some 41s and W's in the chat. I love y'all. Peace out, gang.